Hello, doing a quick video on pest control. So my garden had a lot of issues with slugs near the end of the year, and what we did is pretty effective, is remove grass around the garden beds. That's pretty helpful. So paved area, because slugs hide in the long grass and then come out at night when it's moist and cold, so the fall is a pretty good time for them to thrive. So here's a kale leaf. It's been eaten pretty well. It's lots of holes, but according to research, this is actually good for you to eat. No damage, no significant damage done here. Now, white flies and white moths were heavily deterred by marigolds. Furthermore, it's the if you are getting a lot of buildup of like spiders and other things on the bottom of leaves, just when you go to water, make sure you rinse the bottom and wipe with your hands. Totally effective. Get rid of the lion's share of serious pest problems. And then there's also like cayenne pepper, Castile soap style pesticides, which are pretty safe to use. I don't use them, but feel free. We thought that birds and whatnot were eating all of our strawberries. That didn't happen this year. I just picked them before the animals had a chance, I guess. So sometimes it's just early bird gets the worm, right? Furthermore, mixing the plant species confuses pests because they like to eat all sort of the same thing. The biggest pest this year was bunnies, which I mentioned. They ate entire bean plants. We're talking like big plants, like 5 feet tall almost. They just ate the entire things. And they got in while we were camping for like 5 days. And I wasn't there to like chase them out. So when I came back home, they had grown so large in the garden that they could no longer fit through the holes in the fence, and I had to shoo them out. A funky bug, I don't know what it's called, but it was eating bean leaves. I just picked them off and crushed them when I saw them, but it didn't, I don't think it has any significant effect on yields. Remember, we're sharing this planet, so just try to let everyone survive until they become a serious problem. Like slugs last year, I was trying to fight them, beer bottle traps, spraying them with salt water, putting down coffee grinds. I mean, none of it was worth the effort. Just pick your kale and eat it, clean it if you're worried about a bit of eggs or slug slime on it, and enjoy.